This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect Bluetooth to your Hyundai Veloster. First, make sure your Veloster is safely parked and the engine is running. This ensures a stable power supply for the system. Next, grab your mobile device and activate its Bluetooth function. Then, navigate to the setup menu on your Veloster's infotainment screen. This is the starting point for all your audio and device connections. It's a straightforward process, taking just a few moments to get started. Now let's get your phone paired. From the setup menu, select the Bluetooth option. You'll then see an option to add new device on your Veloster's display. Tap that. On your mobile device, look for your Veloster's name in the available Bluetooth devices list and select it. A pairing code will appear on both screens. Confirm they match to complete the connection. This security step ensures you're connecting to the correct vehicle. Once you've confirmed the pairing code, your Veloster's screen should indicate that your device is connected. Simultaneously, check your phone's Bluetooth settings. It should also show a connected status next to your Veloster's name. If you encounter any difficulties, a simple restart of both your phone and the car's infotainment system can often resolve minor glitches. This ensures a fresh attempt at establishing the link. With your device successfully connected, you can now enjoy seamless audio. On your Veloster's infotainment system, select Bluetooth audio as your media source. You can then play music, podcasts, or make hands-free calls directly from your mobile device. Use the car's steering wheel controls or the touchscreen to adjust the volume and skip tracks, providing a convenient and safe driving experience. It's that simple to enjoy your favorite audio on the go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.